It's Rebelbeatbox with my fourth tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking about the sound. It's simply just B. Just you're over pronunciating, like I've said in my other tutorial videos. So the reason why I haven't taught you this sound yet, or even talked about it, because it's the easiest sound to make, and I didn't want to waste too much time on it until you were ready. So now that you've mastered or gone over some of the previous sounds that I've shown you, it's time to throw this one in, and we're going to go ahead and bring it with the other ones. So just like I was saying earlier with kind of the language, this is just like word everybody or everyone or anything. So we're just going to go ahead and tie two words together, and we're just going to learn it as one. This is that word. So I'm going to go ahead and just give you a simple rundown, and then I'm just going to give a couple examples of something else. So here we go. Using all sounds there. Very little, if none, of the throat bass, but I'm using my sound, my hi-hat, my metronome, and my drum roll. Now, I've shown you a couple of different ways to do it, and I'm going to give you an example once you get it down, and you can repeat it several times over. And I want you to go ahead and mess with your speed. Try to get faster, faster, and faster. Of course, if you're just doing it at all. You're speaking, you're saying different words, and you're repeating it over and over again, and you're resetting it with your metronome. You can go ahead and know the sequence of sounds that comes one after another after your metronome hits. That's how I increase my speed, how I can take any direction that I want. It's that metronome, and this sound is one that you're going to be using a lot in many different ways. But this is the first variation that I'm going to show you. So take it, run with it, practice it. Check out my next video. See where it takes you. Rebelbeatbox, like, share. See you next time.